Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about winter skincare. As the temperature drops and the air becomes drier, it can be a struggle to keep our skin hydrated and healthy. But don't worry, we've got some tips and tricks to help you get through the winter with glowing skin. Tip 1. Moisturize. The first and most important tip for winter skincare is to moisturize. This is especially important in the winter as the cold weather can strip our skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry and flaky. To combat this, make sure to use a rich, hydrating moisturizer both in the morning and at night. You can also look for products that contain ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides which help to retain moisture in the skin. Tip 2. Exfoliate regularly. While it's important to keep our skin moisturized, it's also important to exfoliate regularly. This helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, which can become clogged due to the dry winter air. We recommend using a gentle exfoliating scrub once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. Just make sure to avoid over-exfoliating, as this can actually dry out your skin even more. Tip 3. Protect your skin from the elements. In the winter, it's important to protect our skin from the elements. This includes wearing a scarf to cover your face, as well as wearing gloves to protect your hands. You can also apply a face cream with SPF to protect your skin from the harsh winter sun. And, don't forget about your lips. Make sure to use a lip balm with SPF to protect them from getting chapped. Tip 4. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for our overall health, and it's especially important for our skin during the winter months. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. And consider using a humidifier in your home or office to add moisture to the air. This can help to prevent your skin from becoming dry and dehydrated. Tip 5. Treat yourself to a face mask. Face masks are a great way to give your skin some extra TLC. Look for masks that contain ingredients like hydrating glycerin, nourishing honey, and anti-inflammatory aloe vera. You can use a face mask once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. And that's it for our tips for winter skincare. Remember, the key to healthy winter skin is to keep it moisturized, protected, and hydrated. Don't be afraid to experiment with different products and routines to see what works best for you. And, as always, make sure to take good care of yourself both inside and out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.